Hello, my name is Sekou Mashali, and here in this video I'm going to explain the format and structure, styles and section that I use in my different technical document. For example, in the specification document, the specification document typically follows a structured format such as a table or a combination of heading and bullet points. I used some bullet points at some point in the presentation. It organizes information into sections like purpose, scopes, requirement, and features. Like you can see in the table of contents, we have the scope, the overview, the requirement, the conclusion, and the references. Now, why did I use this format? I use this format because it enables easy navigation and comprehension of the technical details. It provides a clear overview of the project requirement and helps engineer reference specific information quickly. Here is the overview of the whole document, and you can see on at the end that we added a conclusion and a references so that the users or the engineer might go to the site to visit and learn about it. In the second document, which is the technical article, they often follow a standard structure including an abstract, an introduction, a methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. They may include headings, subheadings, and numbered section for clarity. In this document, I didn't include headings, but at least we have a numbered section that are made clear for clarity. For example, we have the introduction where we have a little bit of text to explain what is going on in the document. Now, why I did use this one is because this structure ensures consistency across reports and facilitate effective communication of research findings. Now, in the user manual document, user manual usually follow a step-by-step instructional format using headings, subheadings, and numbered instruction. They may include illustrations, screenshots, or diagrams to ensure clarity. Fortunately, I did not use screenshots nor diagrams, but the numbered section that I use are very clear for those who want to follow the steps of installing a Windows USB with a USB key in their computer. Now, why did I use this one is because the step-by-step format provides a lot of logic and sequence of instruction, make it easy for the user to follow along. Clear headings and numbered instruction help the user to locate the information quickly, while visuals aid in understanding complex procedures. Now, in the testing documentation often include test plans, test case, test scripts, and test reports. These documents are typically organized using headings, subheadings, and numbered or bulleted lists. Now, here we have the table of contents. As we can see at the number 4, we have 4 test cases where we actually test whether the computer is able to boot the system. In case of a failure, we have here the number 5 where we can see the options: take screenshot that the failure evident, note down failure description, and so on. Now, why I used it is because this is an organized format that ensures that the testing process is well documented and reproducible. Clear headings and lists help the testers to navigate through the test plans and cases efficiently, while the use of numbered or bulleted lists aid in tracking and referencing results. Thank you, and this is the conclusion of this video.